Welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for January 10th, Tuesday, 2023. As we get started here today, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure you're following us on the various social platforms that are out there. Go ahead and subscribe here on YouTube. Ring the bell. Make sure that you are getting updates and notifications of all of our latest videos. And make sure to go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. When you do, on tradinglikeaboss.com, you're going to see a ton of things that are free resources available for you. Go ahead and check those out. Particularly right now, we've got Tony Benson, which is one of our elite instructors that we have. Tony is known as the Pattern Whisperer. He's going to show you what it takes for you to become a pattern whisperer. He's got a free training that he's doing. Everything that's on this page, all the resources here are free. So take advantage of that. All right, with that, let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to start off with Forex Factory. Today at 9 a.m., we got Chair Powell is going to talk, which means we're going to stir the market up a little bit at that point. We're already down on the anticipation of what's coming out from him, right? The only report today. The ES is down 13, the Dow is down 131, the Nasdaq's down 45, the RUT's down 5.5, Bitcoin, woohoo, over 17K, Ethereum's over 1,300, gold is up 1, crude is up 50 cents, which basically puts it at about $75 a barrel. Next, let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at our stocks. So I built our list out here for today. First one is AVGO, AVGO. Which is Broadcom, they are down today $2.90. Why? What's wrong with AVGO? It's a chip maker, yes. What's wrong is Apple said, you know what? Those chips you make, AVGO, we're going to make them in-house in 2025. We're working on that now. So that's a huge loss to lose an Apple contract, right? They were already down yesterday on this news, or on this rumor of this. So we're down again today. We're down to 574 right now. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 583. By the way, hopefully you took advantage of companies like MasterCard and Visa yesterday where we crushed it. DoorDash was the only one that really went against us. It had moved down and right back up again. First candle. It was a very quick move in the opposite direction, just following suit of market. But you've heard me say that before. Trade what the direction of the market is, and you've got a 75 to 80% chance of being right just trading market direction. All right, next is Big Airplane. They are down on a downgrade from Morgan Stanley. Right, so Boeing, BA. So right now they're at 202. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 209, which puts you at the 210s because we had $2.50 increments there. ILMN, Illumina, earnings for them, they are down $6 to 202.5. Let's just get a little bit bigger picture and see what's going on here. All right, so you can see the big gap yesterday, just continuation from that. Right now it puts them at 202.5. So, no, my bad, wrong one, 184. Sorry about that. I'm looking at Boeing's price still. 184, which, woo, holy mackerel. I'll get it right sooner or later. There we go. I don't have it right on TradeStation. I don't have it right on Omega charts. Here we go. ILMN right here. They were up nicely into resistance, looking like they were going to break out yesterday. Today they're down $23 to 184. So we're down below that 187. 87, let's call it 88 to 08. That's 20 points. 88, 98. Yeah, so we need to split that level in half. So let's go do that. That's first and foremost, right? Let's go snap a line in there. It'll look something like that. So if we're sitting right now at 184, we're looking at a bear call spread above 198. All right? Now we're going to go to Lulu here, and we're going to go to Lulu here. So Lululemon, there was a little bit of an upgrade for them. I think it's more of an overreaction in the move from yesterday. They're up to exactly $300 right now. They're up $1.34. Guys, I'm not excited about any bullish news on this. I'm going to say next. Nothing about this excites me. Why? Because that big gap down yesterday was such a large move on their earnings that this earnings continuation, this announcement I don't even have who it was, but they're maintaining their focus on Lulu is not enough for me to say let's trade that one, right? NXPI, they got an upgrade from UBS. So NXPI is sitting up about $1 right now to 162. So they're right up against our resistance. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 158. What's 158, Rob? That's the 8 EMA. And we're going to do it as aggressive, meaning we're going to just do a smaller number of contracts. I want to trade it. I want to partake. I just don't want to put a lot of money in. And then last is Tesla. Tesla last week did what? They cut prices in China. The markets went crazy. Oh my goodness, the world's coming to an end. Elon's lost his mind. Yesterday, 10,000 vehicles delivered. 10,000 vehicles delivered yesterday on this. So this price cut in China has driven things up for them. Right now, it's actually, they've flipped around a little bit. They're down $1 right now from where they were, right? So let's see. So if we're sitting right now at 119, we're looking at 119.40. So guys, I'm torn on this. We're sitting right at that 119 level. I'm going to flip this one. I'm not going to look at a spread on this. I'm going to look at this as a directional trade for an option, right? I'm just not crazy about it. When I started off 20 minutes ago, we were up $1. We're now down $1. We're at a critical point on the chart, which is a switchback trade. It's a number one in our rank on our pop rankings, right? It is a pop stock. So we're going to look to this as directional. In an ideal world, it doesn't matter which way it goes. Move up, bounce, and take off, I got a bullish entry. Drop down, retest, and fail, I've got a bearish entry. Either way works. It's just a matter of seeing what happens with Powell and what happens by the time we get to the market open. All right, so make sure you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com, check that out, get registered for becoming a pattern whisperer, and all of the other free resources that are on here, folks. Take advantage of them. All right, with that, make it a great day, and I will see all of you at our next update. All right, bye for now.